can be changed from internal to external D-rings in case of discomfort, or replaced if a D-ring is broken. In case the D-rings are riveted onto your brace, please reach out to your CTi distributor or retailer. Use a size 1 Phillips head screwdriver to undo the central screw. Remove the D-ring and both posts from the brace. Select a same-sized D-ring. Place the female post inside the D-ring. The default D-ring placement is on the inside of the brace. However, the D-rings can be moved to the outside of the frame if preferred. Place the D-ring with the female post into the hole on the frame. Place the male post through the outside of the frame and slide the two together. We suggest using the longer male post on all Pro Sport models or when the frame is too thick for the short male post. Reinsert the central screw and fasten, making sure not to over-tighten.